NASDAQ. I'm going to go and get my stop up here a little bit. Get pushed through that balance, get up there a little bit, get her stop in place, and there we go. So now we can't lose money on it. Hopefully it don't come down and grab me though. It's about $1,500 or so there. Get above that VWAP, get her stop in place up there. There's $2,000 on that. Just keep on pushing up. Push up there a little more, I'll put my stop in place. I'll take the $2,700. Come on, push up through there. Just a little bit more. Get up there, and there we go. There, I took it. So that's about, I don't know, $2,800 or so. Woo, looky here. Aren't we doing good on there? Let's go ahead and get our stop in place at 3,600. And we're going to move it up here a little bit. Let's just take profit right there. It's going to give me some more. I'll get up there to $5,000. So you just saw me make about $8,000. Is that good enough, guys? So we're right here at the top of this channel that we drew. That's why I went ahead and got my profit in there. That's how you do it, guys. 8 grand. 5,000 on options, and that was about a $3,000 trade or so. I don't know what it was. 8 grand. There you go, Josh. So you got in that meta as well. Good job, buddy. $640 live streaming. That's really good. And we could have held it. See, it's still going up. But here's the thing, guys. Greed gets in the way. That's why we took our trade here. You know, we took our profit there. We got about $3,000 on that trade. You can see it's a live account, and I'm not simming. And this up here, there's no way that this is not live. You would know. So you can't be greedy. So we made $4,400 on Meta. That's what I made. And I'm done. I don't have to trade anymore.